Hi, my name is Kino. Today I'm going to be making Hakko Genmai. Hakko Genmai is a fermented brown rice rich in enzymes and vitamins and minerals, and it promotes your good digestion and it improves your gut health and boosts your immune system. I have eaten the Hakko Genmai for the last 5 years regularly, and I lost 5 pounds and I'm keeping it, and I'm in good health for my age. And if you want to be healthy, this is the best recipe for you. Let's get started. Rinse brown rice and soak it in water for at least 6 hours or overnight. This removes phytic acid in brown rice. Phytic acid is an anti-nutrient in many plant-based foods, including brown rice. Drain the soaking water and rinse the rice again. And wash Azuki beans and add fresh water. And cook the rice as you usually would in a rice cooker. And if your rice cooker has brown rice mode, select it and start cooking. Once the rice is cooked, keep warm for the next 3 days. Stir the rice once a day with a rice paddle to ensure the fermentation process is even. After 3 days, the rice should have a slightly funky smell, but it is comfortable and the texture becomes so soft. Wrap the rice in plastic, divide it into one portion, and freeze it and store it in a Ziploc bag. You can keep it for up to a month. Serve the Hakko Genmai the same as the white rice. It has more flavor and texture than the white rice, which is so satisfying, and I cannot go back to the white normal rice. It's that delicious. It takes time, but basically, rice cooker will do it for you. In the next day, you will realize the body is lighter, it relieves constipation, and makes you feel so much better. I hope you will give this recipe a try. Thanks for watching, and I will see you soon. Bye!